If you've ever reached the end of the month and wondered where your money went, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to start saving even when it feels impossible, starting with less than the price of a coffee. No lectures, no shame, no just stop being poor advice. Real steps, starting today. Here's the truth almost nobody says out loud. Most people don't struggle to save because they're lazy or bad with money. They struggle because life is genuinely expensive right now. Rent, food, energy, the cost of living is the #1 money worry in almost every country on earth. So if you feel behind, you're not broken. You're normal. But here's the second truth. Waiting for a better month to start saving is a trap, because the better month rarely comes on its own. The habit comes first. The amount comes later. Forget saving 20% of your income. If money is tight, that advice is useless, and worse, it makes you feel like a failure before you start. Instead, start with an amount so small it's almost insulting. $1 a day or $5 a week. Why does this work? Because the goal of your first 90 days isn't the money. It's proving to your own brain that you are a person who saves. Behavior researchers have found that habits stick when they're easy enough to repeat on your worst day, not just your best one. For example, $5 a week feels like nothing. But it's $260 in a year, and more importantly, it's 52 repetitions of the habit that will carry bigger amounts later. Do this now. Open your banking app and check if it has an automatic transfer feature. Set it to move your tiny amount the same day money comes in. What you never see, you never spend. You've probably heard pay yourself first. Most people save backwards. They pay everything, spend a month, and plan to save whatever's left. But whatever's left is almost always zero. Not because you're careless, but because normal life expands to fill the money available. Flipping the order is the single most reliable saving move that exists, and it works at any income level because you choose the size. One honest warning here. If you're currently missing payments on essentials, rent, utilities, minimum debt payments, stabilize those first. Saving $5 a week while ignoring a past due electric bill isn't a win. Essentials first, then the tiny habit. Both can usually fit. Money without a name disappears. So the moment you start saving, split your savings into named jobs, even if each job only has a few dollars in it. Job 1. Your safety buffer. This is the money that turns an emergency into an inconvenience. Before you dream about investing, aim for one small milestone. Enough to cover one genuine surprise, a repair, a prescription, a broken phone screen. For many people, that's a few $100s, and reaching it changes how you sleep at night. Job 2. Your sinking funds. A name for saving a little every month for expenses you already know are coming. The holidays come every year. School costs come every year. These are not emergencies. They're scheduled surprises. $10 a month toward December, starting in January, is the difference between a peaceful holiday and a January full of debt. Most banking apps let you create sub-accounts or vaults for free. If yours doesn't, an old-fashioned notebook works. When income can't grow this month, attention can. 3 places where money leaks quietly. First, subscriptions. Go through your bank statement for the last 60 days, line by line. Most people find at least one subscription they forgot they had. Cancel it and redirect that exact amount into savings automatically. You are already living without it. Second, the same bill, better price call. In many countries, phone, internet, and insurance providers keep loyal customers on old, expensive plans. One phone call asking, "Is there a cheaper plan that fits me?" costs nothing and regularly saves real money. Do one call per week, not all at once. Third, the 24-hour rule. For any non-essential purchase over a set amount, you choose the number. Wait 1 day. If you still want it tomorrow, buy it without guilt. Half the time, the urge simply passes. The job of your first $100 is to break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, to put something, anything, between you and the next surprise. People who save small consistently upgrade the amount as life improves. People who wait to save big usually never start. The habit is the asset. The amount is just this month's number. Here's your one action for today. It takes 5 minutes. Open your banking app, set up one automatic transfer on payday for an amount you won't miss. Give it a name. Safety buffer. That's it. Don't reorganize your whole financial life tonight. One transfer, one name, today. Then come back and tell me in the comments, what amount did you choose? No number is too small in this community. Someone reading your comment will start because you did. If this helps, subscribe so you don't miss us. We break down one money topic every week in plain language. Next week, we're covering what falling interest rates mean for your savings. Wherever you are right now, remember, you aren't behind. You're just starting. And starting is the hardest part. Grow your money mindset. See you in the next one.